What is up? What is up, guys? I am Legendary Gamer, and today we're gonna be playing some Pixel Gun 3D. And in this video, we're actually gonna be playing like campaign and all that. And so y'all can notice some background noises. That is because I'm the law. Room you can literally hear the TV, but right here you can't because there's like two doors. And sorry, right here we go. And now your road to the glory begins. So I think I said in the last video, but once I get to level 31, yeah, level 31 to the max. I'm gonna be doing some tutorials, some whatever y'all want, like daily games and all that, and so yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. And then once after that, if y'all want, if we hit 5,000 likes, I will start playing Five Nights at Freddy's on the there's eggs on the tablet, because I have a tablet, Samsung Tab A7 or 6, I don't know which one. And then from the first one to the newest one, if we get 5,000 likes on the last Pixel Gun 3D video. So and as I was gonna say, oh, there's pets. Oh my god, there's pets. What kind of pets? Is there gadgets? Oh my god, there's a Molotov. Bruh, there's jetpacks. Bruh. I'm a winner, yay! Sorry. You already have a mentor in the club, and I will. Okay. Legendary game 2005. No, I'm gonna switch it. As y'all can notice, this is 200005 because I was born in 2005. So let's just put Legendary Gamer. Legendary Gamer 05. And then let's go back. Let's see what there is here. So there is skins. Oh my. Slenderman! Oh my god! And this dude. Oh my gosh! I want to buy this. So I'm in level 1 already. So I guess let's go battle people. Yeah. No, wait, actually, no. First thing we're gonna do is... Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, look, chest. Can I open it? Yeah. What can I get? Yay, coins. 10 coins. So first of all, after all of it, we're gonna be doing campaign. And once I finish that, we're gonna be going to you know, all of that. Let's put it on hard. I like hardcore. Let's do this. Fun. Here's on San Francisco, 4:15 a.m. That's like San Francisco. Huh? Look, question mark right there. Brains. Yeah. We're gonna be killing zombies, I can tell. Yeah. Yeah, kill those fools. Wait. There we go. Not just So I've seen these kinds of videos, and there should be like a diamond. So I think it's it's a diamond. Dun 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 dun. Good shot. Bow. Bam, bam. Wait, let me try to get it. No, I don't think I can. Let me just use my gun. Minigun. No, it's not a minigun. It's a BB or a pixel gun. Yeah, I'll call it a pixel gun. Headshot. Oh! Oh yeah, I forgot to say in the first first video I made, I forgot to say that the max I can record is 15 minutes. Cause this is Mobizen. I don't know if in future updates I will be able to record more than 15 minutes. So all I'm gonna be able to record is 15 minutes. You can see the little bubble right here. Oh, I got 3 coins. Financial. What is that? Yay, level 2! Oh my! Oh, champion egg. Dun 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 dun. Once I was 7 years old. Sorry about that. Question mark right there again. Help. Dong dong dong. I hope I have time to help. Go next. Loading. Complete the level to get golden coins. Kill monsters quickly. Win without any damage. I could do that. I think I can. Diamond. Gem. Yeah, I think it's gem. Or diamond. Dun, 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 dun. Kill him with the whole thing of that. I don't know what you call that. But kill. Oh shoot. Oh no. Yeah. So yeah guys, I forgot to tell you. Off cam sometimes I'm gonna be like doing clans and doing skins and all of that, and you know, like I just got an egg. I'm gonna be like hatching it for like, cause this is max time. It's 15, and if I do more than 15, I won't be able to upload this video. Okay? So if I get like 15 minutes and 1 second, I'm still not gonna be able to upload the video for some reason, and it's already been 8 minutes and 10 seconds of the video. So yeah, hopefully I can finish like these 2 levels, and then next time, like today, I uploaded 2 videos already, and I said 1 or 2 videos in the beginning of my YouTube channel. And oh shoot, no, so far, grenade. Yeah, genius. Yay. So it's already gonna be 15 minutes. Oh my gosh. I'm late. Yeah, you are, homie. Yeah, you are. Zombie invasion evacuation plan. I should go to the city. Yeah. No, I can't get to the city. Yeah. Stop saying city. Yeah. Yeah, he's a policeman. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who wants a piece of me? Give me that rotten flesh from Minecraft. No. I can't die. Run, legendary. Run, man. Run. Oh god. Run. No. Wait a minute. There's supposed to be a coin over here. Oh shoot. No. Come on, give me that precious coin. Give me that golden coin. That golden coin will always motivate me to kill zombies. Yeah. Yeah. Kill these fools. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's worse than I thought. Freaking zombies everywhere. Oh no! No! That weapon doesn't even have a lot of ammo. Kill that fool. Am I dead? No, I'm not dead. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Cool. Come. Headshot. Yeah, headshot. I think that was a headshot. Bam. I'm gonna kill more zombies. And then, maybe knife this fool. Bam. Get knifed. Oh, is this a revolver? Yeah, it is. Oh man, I took damage. No. 4 minutes left. Okay. From simple eggs, you will get common, uncommon, or rare pet. From ancient eggs, which one did I get? Champion eggs. You will get rare, epic, or legendary pet. I got this one. I got this one, the gray one. So am I gonna get another one? Pets. Let's go to the next level, which is level 3, I think. Yeah, level 3. What was that? Question mark. Oh my god, with these question marks. Hospital entry card. Maybe here I can find answers. Oh my god. Oh my god, is that a dead person? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna get chainsaw. Chainsaw. Knife these people. Knife him all. I will knife you all. Oh my god. What the heck is that? What do y'all have to kill me, huh? Guns? RPGs? I have a bazooka. Not yet, but I'm gonna buy one. But I have a bazooka, I should warn y'all. Did I even kill anybody? Oh yeah, I killed 2. Oh my god. Headshot. Oh, no! Headshot. No signal. Bam. Headshot. Every time you kill somebody, just grab a quarter, put it in a sock, and then you have something and bash people with it, guys. It's that simple. Every time you get a headshot, and then you get in a fight with a kid, just take your sock, put a quarter in it, and then you have something and beat them up. Yeah, that's what I might do. Every time you have something, every time you get a headshot, put a sock, put a quarter in the sock, and you have something to beat up everybody who picks on you and all that. That's my life, guys. That's my life. That's my life. Where nothing is boring. Math is? No. Where nothing, almost nothing is boring. School's boring though. School's boring. And you know what's a bad thing? The background is freaking school. And I don't like schools. So for some reason it's boring. I don't like it. All they do is teach you. Like for real. What kind of a world is that? Like school, guys. School. Let me get that headshot. Yeah, got a headshot. Oh my god, he has a chainsaw. I'm gonna kill him from here. Oh my god, I need that. Headshot. Bah! Oh, I thought he was gonna give me the chainsaw. No, I gotta find this. Yeah, 3 coins and 5 XP. No, are you freaking kidding me? No.